Alright, the next thing that you need to learn about the functions is the return keyword. This is a very useful keyword in some scenarios. It's very similar to the break keyword that we have for the loops, both for the for loop and the while loop. The return keyword, just like the break keyword, will stop executing the code from the function as soon as it is reached. If we apply it to our example, to our difference in temperatures function, we can put it in our else statement. Instead of adding zeros to the vector, we can immediately stop as soon as we encounter a called day. So here I'm simply going to say return. Let's run it and see how this will affect the code. So run, and as you can see here we get differences, but here we get zeros. So as soon as we encountered a called day, we got out of the function. To demonstrate this, I'm simply going to try and print a variable here. So I'm going to simply say difference of 1. So I want the first difference to be also outputted. If I run this, as you can see, this never happens. This will never happen unless we get all hot days. So the way to get all hot days is to tweak it a bit, tweak our code a bit. There we have it. So answer 2, we got the difference of 1. We got all days to be hotter, so all of them are hotter. The Sunday is equal, we have a 0 here, and there we have it. But whenever this is not true, whenever we have a cold day, the function stops executing. Now, yes, you can simulate this behavior with conditional statements and the break keyword, but that will probably still make some code being executed after your statements without the actual need for that. So even if you have the break keyword here and some safeguarding with if statements, here if you have some other code, so some other code, you will interrupt the loop, you will interrupt everything, but this code here will still get executed. With the return, everything that's below the return keyword will never be executed. That is assuming that the return keyword is reached. The return keyword is a nice way to control the flow of code in your functions. Basically, use it whenever you have a condition of the sort. Go back from the function if you have found what you're looking for.